Welcome to How to Solve.
Hey there, here's how to save a JPEG as a PDF on your iPhone. Let's go. Now, if you have an image on your iPhone, maybe one you downloaded from a website or something that you took from your phone's camera itself, you can always switch that from an image or a JPEG over to a PDF. So, to do that, let's just hop into your photo gallery here and let's just tap on any random photo. Now, if you hit that little share button at the bottom left, you'll actually see that there's no option here to switch it over to a PDF. However, if you tap on the print button, it will then open up the ability to print right here. But we're not actually gonna print it, so don't worry. We're just gonna print to PDF. So let's tap the share button again at the top right. And here you can see it says creating PDF. And from here, you will have the option to save the file as PDF on whichever device that you might want. And that's actually it. Pretty simple. That is how we save a JPEG as a PDF on iPhone.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.